The bar chart visualizes patient normal and imaging test data, 2024 actual vs 2025 forecast, using a grouped bar format with a dark theme. The x-axis represents different patients, along with their corresponding imaging test types and diagnostic results, while the y-axis represents numerical test values. This is a prototype not for commercial use. Key features of the bar chart. 1. X-axis, patients, imaging tests and risk category. The x-axis labels consist of patient names, imaging test types, X-ray, MRI, CT scan, ultrasound, PET scan, and diagnostic categories, normal, mild risk. The chart includes both actual 2024 test results and 2025 forecasted values. 2. Y-axis, test values. The y-axis represents numerical values for various health and imaging test metrics. 3. Color-coded metrics. Blood pressure, cyan. Heart rate, magenta. Oxygen level, yellow. Body temperature, green. Imaging metric 1, orange. Imaging metric 2, purple. 4. Data trends and observations. The bars for 2024 and 2025 are grouped together for easy comparison. Each grouping of bars represents a single patient and their imaging test data. The forecasted, 2025, values are slightly higher than the actual 2024 data due to the assumed 2% increase. The mild risk category patients tend to have higher heart rates and imaging metrics, whereas the normal patient, CT scan, has more balanced values. 5. Title and attribution. The title mentions Pradeep K. Suri as the author, researcher, consultant, and AI/ML architect, indicating that the chart is part of a research or medical AI project. Conclusion. This visualization helps in assessing patient health trends over time by comparing normal health parameters, blood pressure, heart rate, etc., with imaging test results. The forecasted increase in values for 2025 can help in predicting potential risks and improving early diagnosis for better medical decision-making. The Python program simulates patient test data, including normal health parameters, blood pressure, heart rate, oxygen level, and body temperature, and imaging metrics, example X-ray, MRI. The program first defines patient names and imaging test types, then generates synthetic test data for AI model testing using NumPy arrays. A diagnostic function evaluates health conditions based on test results and classifies each patient as high risk, mild risk, or normal. The program then creates a data frame using pandas, storing all patient details along with their diagnostic results. It also generates forecasted test values for 2025 by assuming a 2% increase in all numerical values while maintaining the same diagnosis labels. The final section combines the actual, 2024, and forecasted, 2025, data into a single dataset, formatting the x-axis labels to include patient names, imaging tests, and diagnostic results. Using Plotly, the program creates a grouped bar chart to visualize variations in test metrics across both years. Each health parameter and imaging metric is color-coded for clarity. The chart includes a title crediting Pradeep K. Suri as the author, researcher, consultant, and AI/ML architect. The dark-themed visualization provides an intuitive comparison of patient health trends over time, highlighting key insights for medical analysis. Python model can be used with actual patient data for AI-based medical analysis. Here's how the program can be adapted for real-world usage. Steps to use with actual data. 1. Replace synthetic data with real patient test data. Instead of generating synthetic values using NumPy, integrate the actual test data from hospital records, wearable health devices, or imaging system reports. Ensure that the real-world dataset includes values for blood pressure, heart rate, oxygen level, body temperature, and imaging metrics. 2. Enhance the diagnostic function for real-world application. The current function classifies patients as normal, mild risk, or high risk based on test thresholds. Modify this function using actual clinical guidelines from medical research, example thresholds for hypertension, hypoxia, and abnormal imaging results. 3. Use a secure and compliant data source. Ensure compliance with medical regulations, HIPAA, GDPR, for handling sensitive patient data. If using hospital data, implement data anonymization techniques. 4. Generate forecasts with machine learning. Instead of assuming a fixed 2% increase, implement AI-based forecasting using time series models, ARIMA, LSTM. Regression analysis trained on historical patient data. ML models for risk prediction, XGBoost, random forests. 5. Enhance visualization and reporting. Customize Plotly charts to include interactive filtering options, example by age, gender, medical history. Add tooltip information for deeper insights into test values. Outcome. By integrating actual patient test records, enhancing the risk classification logic, and leveraging ML-based forecasting, this model can become a powerful AI tool for predictive healthcare analytics. This will allow medical professionals to identify trends, anticipate risks, and improve patient outcomes with data-driven insights. Thank you.